Hi, this is Marlo with Soundoftristate, and today we installed a new Kenwood radio in this 2017 Chevy Impala. And this radio is fairly new, and the radio does have some unique features to it. So let's get inside and show you what it looks like. So here we have the new Kenwood reference DDX800XR along with the iDatalink Maestro APXS8GM3. Both of those are required for this particular vehicle, and the unique feature of this particular radio is that this is an 8-inch screen that gives you all the bells and whistles of aftermarket, so you'll get to retain all factory settings, all factory looks, and get the aftermarket features. So we'll go into the features next. So as said, this is the 2017 Chevy Impala. This has a factory screen in it. These are all your factory heater controls, all your radio controls and everything. The unique feature of this particular radio is that it does have a motorization, meaning this screen actually goes up. And with this new radio, you are able to keep everything in here factory, using your factory buttons, as well as your factory steering wheel controls and factory backup camera if it has that feature as well. But ultimately, we are changing this screen here to a Kenwood, and we're retaining all factory items in there as well. This vehicle also is Bose, so it is Bose compatible, and you're going to see this motorization screen on a 2015 and up Chevy, GM, and Cadillac products. So as we start the vehicle, we do see that the Kenwood comes up on the screen. So once the screen is powered on, again, you're going to be using all of your factory buttons here to retain the look of everything as well. So, you know, we can track up, track down, and everything. We also have the factory backup camera that we're going to be putting in as well. Once you put it in reverse, you do get your backup camera as well. So again, the unique feature on this particular radio is that it does have a power screen. So pressing this button makes it motorization. This is a hidden compartment for your USB. This does come with a USB plug, but again, this is a unique feature that's specific for this particular car. But it allows you to change the screen. So if you have a damaged screen, you know, you have no audio or something like that, this Kenwood is a great solution to help you gain CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You'll get all those features on there as well. So as you can see, we do have wireless CarPlay here. We do have the motorization of the screen itself, and then still retaining that feature. So this is showing you that CarPlay is now active on the Kenwood DDX800XR. It is wireless. It is a wireless connection at the moment. It does have the wired connection behind the radio. If you decide to do wired, there is a USB behind there. That's a USB-C. That is a USB-C if you decide to do that. So with this, you're going to gain full touchscreen on there as well. You know, that's full touchscreen, and we do have backup camera again. Putting the backup camera on, and we do retain steering wheel controls. So we have behind the steering wheel, we have the volume up and volume down on here as well.